Central Time. Big RFD, Gus. There's a tornado back there. Crossing I-70 right about now. People on I-70 are taking shots. Getting messy now with the hook. Oh yeah, full blast with that. Too bad it's moving into a poor road network.
Head north? Is that dirt or what's up there?
It goes into the west side of Collier paved for maybe another mile, and it goes dirt. Or gravel, I don't know.
Well, let's do it anyway.
Yep. Go ahead. Bad roads, unfortunately. Yeah.
Of course, we have now
A zoo. You put your wipers on. Oh, they are. Never mind. Never you mind. Good thing we came up here, huh? I guess it did spin up.
Yeah.
Right on cue.